Maha Aha. There at the post. Thereof. Showing early speed, Remember to Dream and Inspired Laureate. Coming on between horses, knowing the fact that one's inside is Hidden Bear as they run up the backstretch. And it's knowing the fact who has the lead now. On the outside, Inspired Laureate is second, Hidden Bear is third. Then Remember to Dream in fourth position. In between horses, Jiltaji, and to that one's outside is Raider for Life. Then back to the next flight of Rhythm of Rock, followed by You're As Good As It Gets, and that purple cap out wide is Grand Nature. Then we have Big Legacy toward the rail, Maha Aha, Chateau King James, Pastor Hagley, and Rocky Ruckus is last of 14 as they head for the quarter pole. Knowing the fact that long odds is at the rail, Inspired Laureate. Here comes Rhythm of Rock out wide, and also right there between horses, Remember to Dream as they straighten away. Remember to Dream, a narrow lead. On the outside is Rhythm of Rock. Maha Aha's trying to close from off the pace. Rhythm of Rock, Remember to Dream. Maha Aha continues to close on the far outside with every stride down to the wire. Inside Remember to Dream. Outside Rhythm of Rock. It's going to be close. Remember to Dream has won it. Remember to Dream won it. To Rhythm of Rock and Maha Aha, a photo for fourth.